Hi everyone, Nurse Flo here, and I help people start their group home or residential facilities. Today I want to talk about some things you need to get ready or get done in your facility or your group home to pass your fire inspection. Now, before you can apply to be a licensed facility, you need to have a fire inspection completed. In order to get the fire inspection completed, you need to go to the website or call your city's fire department, and the fire marshal is going to come inspect your house, make sure it's a safe livable condition, and give you a certificate. For the city of Columbus, it's $100, and you just go online to the website, download the application, fill it out, submit it online or mail it in. And after the inspection is completed, they will send you an invoice, you pay, and then they mail you your certificate. Now in Columbus, it's been taking about a month or so, depending on the time of the year, to get you scheduled. Just keep that in mind when you're figuring out your timeline in regards to when you want to get that scheduled on your timeline for getting your license, for obtaining your license. You want to make sure that your house or your facility is a safe living condition, free of hazards, and you have to have all your furnitures and furnishing in place to make it seem like somebody can live there today, the day that they come do the inspection. You want to make sure you have an ABC fire extinguisher in the kitchen, and it needs to be visible at all times in the kitchen. Also, there needs to be a fire extinguisher on all levels of the home, and your fire extinguishers must be tagged, and either you have proof that it was bought that year or it's been inspected within a year. Now, apart from the fire extinguisher, you do need to have a working smoke detector and a carbon monoxide detector on all levels of the home. Along with those, you do need a diagram or drawing of escape routes of the facility, including the exits and also a safe location in case of an emergency. That diagram needs to be in all levels of the home, and it's nothing complicated. You can do it yourself. You just have to draw basically each level of the facility and where the escape route is to the exit, so that anybody looking at the diagram can safely exit the building in case of an emergency. On that diagram, you will put where the safe place to escape to. It could be a neighbor's house, across the street, a nearby restaurant, so that everybody knows in case of an emergency, if we have to rush and leave out the house, this is where we're going to meet up. We have our fire extinguishers, the smoke detector, the carbon monoxide detector, and our diagram. Now, if you have a furnace or hot water tank, there needs to be nothing within 3 feet of those. So within 3 feet of your furnace and hot water tank, it needs to be empty. There also needs to be a fire drill schedule. So you need to have a fire drill schedule, which can be done monthly. It needs to be posted in your facility. Those are all the things you need to have completed, have ready, and have in place to get your fire inspection completed and passed. Make sure you follow for more tips on opening your residential facility or your group home. Bye.